Trinity Basics stainless steel utility sink is NSF certified and perfect for any kitchen, mudroom, or garage. The 18-gauge, 304 stainless steel bowl is large enough to accommodate all your laundry or dishwashing tasks. The sink features a chrome single-handle faucet, drainer, and a 6 inches backsplash to help keep your walls dry. Mounting hardware is included along with adjustable feet levelers to keep your sink level on uneven surfaces. Perfect sink to upgrade your laundry room or kitchen. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The sink is made of 18GA304SS, large 18 inches width by 16 inches depth by 13 inches height sink bowl. Number 2. Chrome single-handle faucet with hoses included. Number 3. SS strainer, tall 6 inches backsplash, adjustable plastic feet stabilizers to keep the sink level. Number 4. Raised ribs area to hold accessories next to the faucet, mounting hardware included, 300 pounds total weight capacity. Number 5. 418GA201 SS legs with full plastic levelers pre-installed. 1. Simple drain without inner basket. 1. T1.2 304 SS bracket. 6 inches tall backsplash with Trinity Basics logo. Includes anti-tipping hardware kit. NSF certified. Number 6. Perfect for any kitchen, mudroom, or garage. Constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel. This sleek design looks great and will add a touch of style to your laundry room, mudroom, kitchen, or backyard. Number 7. Made with 18-gauge, 304 stainless steel. The high-quality 304 stainless steel construction of the sink ensures your sink is not only durable but will have a long life in any environment. Number 8. No need to purchase a faucet. This sink comes with its own. This beautifully chrome-plated single-handle faucet not only looks great but also swivels to accommodate your washing needs. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.